I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by placing your clip on a properly framed sequence that matches frame rate and resolution. This avoids drift. Import your audio plus either a transcript or an existing SRT file into the project panel. Next, switch to the Captions or text workspace so you see caption lanes and timecode. You want visible waveforms, make sure audio track heights are expanded. Once visible, drag transcript or SRT onto the timeline or create a new Captions track and paste transcript segments to begin aligning. Now align captions to the audio by scanning waveforms and placing the playhead at each phrase start. Create or select a caption segment and trim its in and out points so it begins when speech starts and ends when the phrase finishes. This improves readability. Use snapping and zoom in for frame-level precision and nudge captions with keyboard shortcuts for tiny adjustments. Also check overlap rules so lines don't collide. Make sure each caption reads comfortably on screen for the intended reading speed. Finish by playing the full sequence and watching every caption against its audio. Skim for late or early entries. Tweak durations and renudge any outliers, then export captions either burned into video, embedded, or as a sidecar SRT depending on delivery requirements. If you notice cumulative drift, confirm both project and source clip frame rates match. Relink or conform media if needed, and retime captions to the corrected timeline. If a single caption won't align, recreate that caption segment to reset timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.